to solve this solution space, let's we make augmented matrix with A with 0. We know the vectors for A, that is 2 0 minus 1 0, and another row is 4 0 minus 2 0. Let's we convert it into row echelon form. Start with your first transformation. So first transformation, that is R2 multiply with minus 2 and added to R1. R1 multiply with minus 2 and added to R2. So 2 0 minus 1, 2 multiply with minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 4, 4 minus 4 0, this term as it is. Minus 1 multiply with minus 2, that is become plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 0. Okay, and lastly multiply 1 by 2 to R1. So you will have 1 0 minus 1 by 2 0 0 0 0 0. Now therefore you have only single equation, that is x1 0 times x2 plus minus 1 by 2 times x3 is equal to 0. One equation, and you need to find out 3 values. Okay, so therefore we take x2 is equal to t1 and x3 is equal to, let's we take t2. Okay, where t1 and t2 belongs to R. So therefore your solution is become x1 plus that is minus 1 by 2, x3 is equal to 0. So therefore x1, we know the value of x3, that is t2, 1 by 2 times t2 is equal to 0. So value of x1 is what? Plus 1 by 2 times t2. Now we all have a values for x2, for x3 and for x1. Let's we place this value. One by 2 times t2 for x1, x2 t1 and x3 t2. Okay, I am going to simplify this, bifurcate this term. t2 वाले सारे टर्म्स अलग ले रहे हैं, t1 वाले सारे टर्म अलग ले रहे हैं. तो t2 वाले टर्म्स कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट 1 by 2, यहाँ पे t2 नहीं है, सो दैट इज 0. यहाँ पर है 1 and t1. We don't have a t1 over here, so that is places at 0. t1 here, that is 1. Okay, t2, तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 0. Okay, first of all for t1, second one for t2. Okay, so therefore basis vectors of solution space is equal to, first of all you have to write down the vector which is multiply with your t1 and then t2. So that is 0 1 0 plus, that is not plus. And second vector is 1 by 2 0 1, 1 by 2 0 1, and which is basis for solution space and which is equal to basis for null space, and that is nothing but basis for W perpendicular.